Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta healthy, only ways. Use portion control and add vegetables to boost fiber and nutrients. Start by switching to whole grain or legume pasta for extra protein and slower carbs. Cook pasta just to al dente and rinse with cool water if making a cold dish. Toss with olive oil, lemon, herbs, and lean protein for balanced flavor and lasting energy. Opt for ingredients that add nutrition without excess calories and keep flavors bright. Measure olive oil to control added fat and prefer whole food sauces over cream. Pile on vegetables like spinach, peppers, tomatoes, and mushrooms to add fiber and color. Add lean proteins or beans for satiety and balanced meals. Finish with lemon, herbs, and a modest sprinkle of cheese to enhance taste without overwhelming health goals. If this content is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful tips. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is perfect if you want a fresh ride after grocery runs or pasta nights, and it makes a funny small reward for yourself. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Small cooking choices make a big nutritional difference and improve texture. Cook pasta al dente to slow digestion and keep firmness. Save a little pasta water to emulsify sauces instead of adding more oil or cream. Combine pasta and sauce off the heat to avoid overcooking and to let flavors marry. Finish with fresh herbs, lemon zest, and a touch of grated cheese for satisfying aroma and taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.